Good evening, class 10. But now, from this year, this chapter is also in class 9 also. It is in class 8, 9, 10. Standard 10, heat, part 4. Today we will deal 3 questions only. Question number 1, why can't oil be used in a thermometer? थर्मोमिटरमा oil भनेको तेल किन प्रयोग गरिँदैन? तेल किन प्रयोग गरिँदैन? Oil can't be used in a thermometer for the 2 reasons. There are so many reasons, but there are mainly 2 reasons. Reason number 1, just see oil. It is not like sensitive as mercury and alcohol. It is not sensitive as mercury or alcohol. It means mercury and alcohol are sensitive, but oil is not sensitive. And it means it has high specific heat capacity. High specific heat capacity, and its rate of expansion and contraction is not uniform. Oil cannot be used for the following reasons. थर्मोमिटरमा तेल प्रयोग गर्न नसक्ने कारणहरू, इट इज नट सेन्सिटिभ एज मर्करी अर एल्कोहल. मर्करी र एल्कोहल जस्तो सेन्सिटिभ हुँदैन. इट हेज हाई स्पेसिफिक हिट कपेसिटी. यसको विशिष्ट ताप धारण शक्ति बढी छ, त्यसले गर्दा यसले बढी ताप लिन्छ. इट निड्स मोर अमाउन्ट अफ हिट टु डु द वर्क. इट्स रेट अफ एक्सपान्सन एन्ड कन्ट्र्याक्सन इज नट युनिफर्म. यो एक नासले घट्ने वा एक नासले बढ्ने. एक्सपान्सन हुँदा र कन्ट्र्याक्सन हुँदा, तताउँदा एक्सपान्सन र चिसाउँदा कन्ट्र्याक्सन हुँदा एक नासले हुँदैन. सो मर्करी एन्ड एल्कोहल आर युजफुल. इट मिन्स oil is not useful. Oil प्रयोग गरिँदैन. Mercury is useful because it has high melting point, high boiling point 357 degrees Celsius, and alcohol is used in cold countries because its freezing point is minus 170 degree Celsius. Question number 2. Question number 2 हामीले के गर्छौं भन्दा एउटा सिम्पल क्वेसन. समटाइम्स दिस क्यान अल्सो बी आस्क्ड. कहिलेकाहीँ हामीले नसोचेको कुरा पनि सोध्न सक्छ. प्रुभ द्याट Q इक्वल msdt. यसलाई प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने. हाउ टु प्रुभ इट? वेयर द सिम्बल्स ह्याभ देयर युजल मिनिङ्स. सो सिन्स द symbols have usual meanings, it is not necessary to write down the full form. Q heat loss or gain, M mass, S specific heat, and dt difference of temperature. Solution. We know experimentally when we perform different experiments, what can we get? The heat loss is directly proportional to mass. Equation number 1, when S and dt and difference of temperature are constant. Suppose specific heat capacity same, difference of temperature पनि same, भने amount of heat loss or gain is directly proportional to mass. More mass, more heat, less mass, less amount of heat. amount of heat is directly proportional to mass. Another, amount of heat is directly proportional to specific heat capacity. More specific heat capacity, more amount of heat. What condition? When mass and dt are constant. Mass constant छ, mass र difference of temperature same छ, specific heat capacity more, amount of heat is more, less को less. And another, directly proportional to amount of heat lost or gained is directly proportional to the difference of temperature. What condition? When M and S are constant. Combining what you get? Combining 1, 2 and 3. यो तीनटै we can combine equation number 1, Q directly proportional to M, Q is directly proportional to S, Q is directly proportional to dt. Combining, we can get Q is directly proportional to MS dt or Q equal, यहाँ यसलाई हटाउने, remove this sign of proportionality and write K MS dt, where K is any constant. Suppose in this case, when quantity of heat lost is 1 joule, heat lost is 1 joule, mass equal 1 kg, specific heat capacity 1 joule per kg per degree Celsius, and dt equal 1 degree Celsius. Q equal 1, mass 1, S value 1, dt value 1, all values are 1. So what is the value of K? Then the value of K is also 1. In this case, therefore Q equal MS dt proved. नेपाली version prove that Q equal MS dt, Q equal MS dt हुन्छ भनेर सिद्ध गर्ने. Q amount of heat lost, छोडेको वा लिएको ताप, M मास पिण्ड, S स्पेसिफिक हिट क्यापेसिटी विशिष्ट ताप धारण शक्ति, dt डिफरेन्स अफ टेम्परेचर तापक्रममा हुने फरक. यसमा एक्सपेरिमेन्टली प्रयोगबाट के पत्ता लागेको छ भन्दा क्वान्टिटी अफ हिट इज डाइरेक्टली प्रोपोर्सनल टु मास, डाइरेक्टली प्रोपोर्सनल टु स्पेसिफिक हिट and directly proportional to dt when others two are constant. M लिँदा S dt constant, S लिँदा M dt constant, dt लिँदा MS constant. Keeping two others constant, quantity of heat is directly proportional to mass, specific heat capacity and difference of temperature. Combining Q varies as msdt or Q equal K times msdt where K is constant. Condition, special condition, quantity of heat Q or H equal 1 joule, mass 1 kg, specific heat S 1 joule per kg per degree Celsius, difference of temperature 1 degree Celsius. घटेको वा बढेको, rise or fall. Then when Q equal 1, M equal 1, S equal 1, dt equal 1, then the value of K, that is constant, is also 1. Special case. Therefore, Q equal msdt proved. You can prove Q equal msdt in this way. Now, another question last for today is a numerical problem. Question number 3. We generally use, especially in winter season. यो जाडो महिनामा हामी पानी तताएर नुहाउँछौँ. To take a bath. To take a bath. What somebody does? I have just written one question. hot water of 10 kg at 90 degrees centigrade is mixed with 20 kg of water at 20 degree centigrade. Find the final temperature. Here heat loss equal heat gained. What is the question? To take a bath, hot water of 10 kg at 90 degrees centigrade is mixed with 20 kg of water at 20 degrees centigrade. Find the final temperature of the mixer. नुहाउनको लागि कुनै मानिसले 90 डिग्रीमा भएको पानी एकदम उम्लेको पानी झनै झनै उम्ले लाग्यो एकदम तातो पानी 10 केजीको तातो पानी र 20 केजीको चिसो पानी 20 डिग्री भनेको चिसो भनौँ न कम्पेरिजनमा मिसाउँदा अब के हुन्छ भन्दा 90 बाट घट्छ 20 बाट बढ्छ when hot thing and cold thing are mixed together what happens the hot body loses heat and a cold body gains heat hot body heat is lost by hot object and heat is gained by the cold object solution here to take about 10 kg mass for hot object heat lost for heat lost what is mass of the water m1 equal 10 kg for heat loss the maximum temperature is 90 degree centigrade and S equal 4200 joule per kg per degree Celsius because both hot water and cold water both water दुवै पानी हुन् त्यसैले specific heat capacity S 4200 joule per kg per degree Celsius and for hot heat loss for heat gain for heat gain M2 equal 20 kg water T2 equal minimum temperature or lowest temperature is 20 degree centigrade specific heat capacity 4200 joule per kg per degree Celsius let T be the final temperature. What is the final temperature? T. So here heat gained equal heat loss. We know heat gain equal heat loss. Heat gain and heat loss equal heat gained or heat gain equal heat loss. Heat gain मान्ने M2S T minus T2. T2 is lowest and T1 is the highest equal M1 S1 T minus T1 minus T2 बाट बढेर I just one diagram T1 highest T2 lowest and T is the what happens T1 is more than T is more than T2 that is T2 is less than T is less than T1 भन्नाले सबभन्दा ठुलो T1 maximum temperature or highest temperature T2 lowest temperature T average temperature now put the values M2 cold water 20 kg S4200 T without flow T2 20 M1 10 S1 M1 S1 and S2 are same 4200 T1 90 minus 2 you can cancel like terms and you can also cancel multiply the 2T minus 40 here 90 minus T okay 2T plus T equal 90 plus 40 ये देखियो 3T equal 140 degree centigrade और T equal 140 by 4 sorry 130 by 3 डिभाइड गरौँ 3 3 4 जा 12 1 10 10 आउँछ 3 3 जा 9 3 3 जा 9 3 3 जा 9 43.33 degree Celsius. Therefore, the final means average temperature T equal 43.33 degree Celsius. When a hot body is mixed with a cold body, what happens? A hot body loses heat and a cold body gains heat. It is the natural process. अर्थात् नेपालीमा कुनै तातो र चिसो चिज मिसाउँदा सबैलाई थाहा भएको कुरा हो, तातो चिज र चिसो चिज मिसाउँदा पक्कै पनि के हुन्छ, तातोले हिट छोड्छ, हिट इज लस्ट बाई अ हट अब्जेक्ट, चिसोले तापक्रम ताप लिन्छ, हिट इज गेन्ड बाई अ कोल्ड अब्जेक्ट इन अ क्लोज सिस्टम इफ देयर इज द heat loss by radiation is negligible. For heat is lost by a hot object. Hot body is 10 kg at 90 degrees Celsius. Specific heat capacity 4200 joule per kg per degree Celsius. Heat gain equal, for heat gain M2 cold water, T2 20 degree S same. Let T be the final temperature of the mixer. Final or average or mean temperature of the mixer. Mixer means these are mixed. When hot and cold body are mixed. Heat gain equal heat loss. Heat gain M2S T minus T2. Heat loss M1S T1 minus T2. T1 minus T. Put the values. Cancel 4200. 10 1 the 10, 10 2 the 20. 2 ले ऐसा बनता है 2t minus 4t 90 minus t. Now using the simple algebra method, simple arithmetic method or mathematical process, minus becomes plus, 2t plus t 3t, 90 plus 40 130, t equal 130 by 3 divided 43.33 degree Celsius. So the final temperature of the mixer is 43.33 degree Celsius. 43.33 is more than 20 degree and less than 90 degree. It is now 43.33 degree Celsius is just enough, slightly more than our body average body temperature. अलिकति तातो हुन्छ, हल्का तातो, but it is not very hot. But 90 degree centigrade is very hot. 20 degree centigrade is, I think, a little bit cold for winter season. Winter को लागि 20 degree cold हुन्छ अनि चिसै हुन्छ अनि समर को लागि यो ठीक हुन्छ. So here is the case of mixing hot and cold body. Find the final temperature. This much for today, and next time I will do some more.